Good evening, South Central Texas. Chief Forecaster David here with your Storm Austin San Antonio weather update. Here's the latest headlines on your forecast. We're tracking some storms as we approach Easter weekend. Not just that, some of these storms could be on the severe side. And we hope you have a plan B ready to go as we could have some pretty intense storms across the area. So with this, we've issued a weather alert day for Easter weekend for severe weather potential, and this could be quite impactful. So again, make sure you guys are prepared. All right, take a look at your futurecast for this tomorrow's Thursday here. We're gonna have some warm, muggy air that will come in from the Gulf of America because of high pressure. With this will increase our cloud cover. It will also be significantly muggier tomorrow. Not just stats, as we approach our Easter weekend, we'll have a cold front that will come into our forecast, and that will increase our rain chances. As mentioned, there is an alert day posted for Saturday evening into parts of early Sunday morning. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a good portion of South Central Texas under a level 2 out of 5, slight risk of severe weather. They've actually extended this further south now, including parts of San Antonio and our eastern counties as well. This goes all the way up towards Dallas-Fort Worth as well, so something we'll monitor closely. As of right now, main concerns could be gusty winds and perhaps some hail, something we'll monitor. So as we approach Saturday, again, alert day. For most of Saturday, it looks mainly overcast with some peaks of sun, but there will be isolated to scattered storms here and there throughout the day on Saturday. But then overnight, Saturday and the Sunday, that's when we'll get a squall line of storms that will develop and bring storms across portions of the state of Texas, going off towards our east. The Climate Prediction Center, the Weather Prediction Center has issued a level 1 out of 4 marginal risk of flooding for areas north of Austin, the entire Hill Country in Williamson and Milam counties, and then on Sunday, no threat of flooding is looking like right now. How much rain could we get? We could see anywhere from 3/4 of an inch rain to 2 inches of rain by next Wednesday. Yeah, we're not just going to see rain for this weekend. There's more rain chances into next week, which is awesome. And then the further south you go, unfortunately, the less totals. So your algae count for this evening, we got high for the grass and mold. Cedar, ash, and oak are in the moderate levels. And then for tonight here in Burnet, low is 63, partly cloudy skies. Some patchy fog could be possible tomorrow morning, especially for areas closer to the Austin metro and southeast. For tomorrow, after having some fog probably in the morning, we'll warm up to 88 for high, partly cloudy, muggy, and breezy. But if you know anyone, or if you are towards Llano or Mason, you could have temperatures in near 90s. Same thing down towards San Antonio and areas further to the south in South Texas. Your Easter weekend forecast here, we got 86 for a Friday after waking up at 68 on Saturday. That weather alert day put in place, a high of 75 with 63 with those isolated thunderstorm chances possibly in the day. And then on Easter Sunday, high temperature 73 in the forecast. And temperatures with this cold front will actually drop our temperatures, I should say, down to the low to mid 50s. So it will be rather kind of a chillier one ahead. So next couple of days, 88 for Thursday, Friday's 86 for Good Friday, Saturday 75 with PM scattered storms, increases overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. So as of now, rain chances could last as late as 9 or 10 in the morning area-wide on Easter Sunday. So that's why I mentioned please have a plan B. But if we go here on Monday, you can see we're tracking even more rain chances as we approach next week. A good portion of the Lone Star State could have rain chances each and every day next week. As of right now, we have small precipitation chances in our forecast for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and the greater chances will increase Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, something to monitor, and of course, you are definitely going to want to keep it here on the Storm TV Network Weather Channel for further updates. Speaking of that, you can check us out on social media at Storm TV Network on YouTube, on X, and of course, if you guys ever want to message me or have questions, comments, stuff like that, feel free to throw a message or anything towards my way on Instagram or on X as well, at DavidALFWX. But once again, as we return back over to our 7-day forecast, again, monitoring that weather alert day for Saturday. We'll monitor it closely for you folks. Tomorrow on Thursday, we'll get some high res data that should come in for Saturday. So we'll have a better idea. I know the chances of precipitation look very low, but trust me, once we get more data that comes in, it's more high res, the confidence in the precipitation chances will go up rather significant. So something we'll watch. But again, if we go back to Monday, monitoring that monitoring storm threats next week. They'll be isolated to scattered storm chances. Could some of these be severe? It's springtime, so we'll see what happens. But for the meantime, you guys have a wonderful evening. We'll have another update in your forecast coming up on Thursday.